Hello, Larry Lee, Vice President of Sales with Thunder Creek Equipment. We're here at Utility Expo 2025 showing off some of our new product here at the Expo. We've got a couple of different units in the booth, starting with our MTT 920, which is kind of our flagship product and is really where we started with the multi-tank concept. And what that means to customers is that it eliminates the need for a hazmat endorsement and in most cases a CDL. So it drives a lot of efficiencies. It removes some of the regulatory burden from operators. So it gives them a very unique way to go to market and do it in a way that's more cost effective and more efficient. And then, through voice of the customer, different requests that we get, different demand from the market, we wound up coming out with this skid product, which we're showcasing here for the first time. This is a combination of lubricants and diesel, kind of a PM skid, so to speak, and put it in more of a compact package. So from a high level, you can see that you've got your tanks laid out here. You've got your two oils, your reclaim for your waste oil. You've got a couple of tanks for diesel. And then you've got your DEF and a grease system. Now this thing is powered by this platform on the front. Everything runs through this 17 CFM compressor. That's your power system for this unit. You've got your dirty oil boxes, your pan boxes right there, or filter boxes rather. 120-pound keg of grease, and everything comes out of the back of the unit. Let me walk you around here and kind of show you this. So this is where the magic happens, coming out of the back of this box. You've got a barn door style enclosure, and you've got your fluids that are your DEF right here, your diesel, your two oils, and then your reclaim right here. And you have another one of the filter boxes, as we've got a couple up front. The way that you control which tank is open is through this manifold right here. And this is what also allows for the non-hazmat, non-CDL, is when this unit's powered off, as you can see when this door closes, the power is shut off. So none of those tanks are open, the manifold's closed. And really, it was just about how do we find new ways, as you've got, whether you're a large contractor that's going out to remote job sites, whether you just want something that, a trailer or a truck just won't do the trick. Maybe you're accustomed to using a skid. Maybe you have concerns over, theft of an asset, where if it's on wheels, it's a lot easier to take. We hear that a lot. But it's just finding ways to meet the customer where they are and addressing the pain points that they've got and helping them do their jobs a little bit more efficiently.